The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday, PPI Day, FOMC Day. Lots of news. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. We're watching NQ kind of hemming and hawing. FOMC days are usually boring in the morning, but the fact that we have PPI this morning kind of flips the script. So, since they're flipping the script, let's just look at the markets over here overnight. We're continue climbing. ES got up to 44.28. Looks like the low was 44.14. It's only about a 14-point range, so we didn't see a big range overnight. NQ 15.152, which is not quite. Well, yeah, it was like one tick higher than yesterday's high, and the low 0.82, so about 70-point range or so. Copper came down, pushed up. Gold's been kind of flat, moving up a little bit, about 11 points in range, so not that flat. Ultra bond, less than a point in range, about 3/4 of a point. Try to pop up here. Crude oil made it back above 70, but fallen under now in the last half hour or so. Natural gas rising to the top. Bitcoin still under 26. Morning, Matt. How you doing today? That's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. NQ's is kind of hanging around its 100 EMA between the 100 and the 20, and looks like ES is doing the same. Hello, Jaden. Welcome. Good morning to you. Hey, JC. Why does that name sound familiar? And we'll see where we go. I don't know where we're going. So we got PPI in less than half an hour. Oh, knew that name sounded familiar, but I was like, I think I know this person, but well, hit the like button on both accounts, Jay. Thank you. Trying to push through here, push through that 100 EMA. Yep, still sitting there. So we're probably going to be boring here until PPI. We'll see. I think PPI is the only news of the morning we'll check. Besides crude oil inventories. Yeah, PPI and crude oil inventories is it for the morning. And then FOMC, of course, this afternoon. We're not streaming that. Do I have a fan hitting the mic? That's better. So if we have any blips this morning, it should not cut the stream. I have set up not to auto stop. I don't know why that's a default. So should have no problems like yesterday. Hey, Crypticon, how's it going? Done any trading yet this morning, Crypticon? Awesome. So remember, we got PPI coming up in about 21 minutes. Nice to Tradovate to log me out there. Let's log back in. There we go. ES is butting right up against that 100 EMA, as is NQ. I don't think your kids would like that, Crypticon. And we're just kind of hanging here. See it bopping on the 100 EMA. ES pulling up. Small candles. Yeah, it's almost back up to its 20. And Q trending as well, the blue candle. I mean, I just don't, unless something surprises me here, we're just going to stay flat until PPI. How many contracts are you using, Crypt? Watching and waiting for something exciting. How are the exams coming, Jay? How many more you got? Doesn't sound like a lot of fun, Jay. So we're just hemming and hawing around 15,119. ES is continuing to move up to its 20 at 44.23 half. Gold's kind of up, coming up a little bit, still under its 100. Ultra run, nice bounce up, and a great blue candle to take, but eh. Copper popping, hopping, stopping, popping like the copper. Remind me, Jay, what are you studying exactly? Like, what's the degree you're going for? Crew trying to bounce there. You gonna start making AI? How many more years of school do you have? Morning, Leonardo. Or actually, I guess it's evening, Leonardo. There's a little pop-up. So we got that blue candle there bouncing off that 100. Been a decent play, but it's only 3 points, now 4. Again, we are just about 10 minutes away from PPI. It's kind of weird in the space right now. There's not many sales going on in the prop firm space. Got the blue sky there at the 25%. Earn a Trade's running their usual TCP sale. I guess Take Profit Trader has something I've seen. I'm not a affiliate of theirs. I see CFT posted something, but not no Apex sales right now. Besides, I mean, I think they normally are 50% off. That's their normal price. And I got Bolinox is 40% off, but no real mega sales right now. Crypt, you still in that trade? You said you were short, right? Folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. That wouldn't surprise me. I mean, they do have 50% off resets right now. Which is probably a smart strategy on them, with this being FOMC, CPI, and PPI week. Apex is always, I think they're always 50%. Let me look at my little affiliate thing. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure Apex is always 50% off. I don't think I've ever seen that they weren't, but I can't try my own coupon code to figure it out. And they have half off resets right now, so I forget how much a reset costs with them. So I think a reset's like 40, 45 bucks. So we're rising up here. We finally broke before PPI. You know, we could have scalped a little there, but we're just gonna, like I said, stay flat till PPI, and then we'll start figuring out how to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. It's all about control and if you can take it. Crypt, I would probably get out of that trade if I were you, but obviously it's up to you. So 3.5 minutes till PPI. Crypt, are you gonna hold through PPI or what's your plan? added. Okay. Good luck, Crypticon. Two minutes. 2 minutes, places, everybody. I've often wondered why they don't release CPI and PPI on the same day. It's like they want to shock the market 2 straight days, or at least 2 days. They're not always back to back. It's like, there's a move down. Purple candle here. 15 seconds. Oh, big move down, then big move up, and then back down. And now up. ES shot up to 44.26, but before that it shot down to 44.20 half. And now it's rising higher. NQ shot down to 15.113. Now shot up to 15.146. That's not high a day. High a day is 152. Let's go check the numbers. PPI year-over-year actual 1.1%. Forecast was 1.5%. So that's much better. Month over month, negative 0.3. Forecast was negative 0.1. So great indications that the inflation is cooling. Market's indecisive about how it feels about it. ES right now only a point from where it started. NQ about 8 points. How are you faring, Crypticon?
Now we're red. Trying to come down. So for this this NQ candle has a 33-point range. Well, this opening 5-minute candle. That's not a horrible range for PPI. Sorry, man. That's one funky looking candle. Funky Cole Medina. And ES ended up being a doji. And there's NQ breaking below the 100 EMA, or it's trying to. Really, PPI is just kind of a blip here. I mean, yeah, it rose up, but looks like it's coming right back down and continuing the downward move we've seen for the last couple hours. Jaden, no, I haven't. I mean, I've heard of AI created music. I know Spotify had a major problem with it and like eliminated a lot of it, but I haven't seen like specific stuff. No, and I agree with that, Leonardo. Usually FOMC mornings are boring. With PPI being, this morning, I thought we might see some, more excitement. But I mean, PPI is not like it was a year ago where you saw 100 or 200 point swings. But it definitely sounds interesting. Jaden, Jay, sorry. Uh, I'll have to check that out. Hey Borneo, how's it going? You're definitely on top of all this AI stuff I noticed, Jay. So that looks kind of shortish. Shortish? I don't know. We have support. We see came down to 120. Oh, I'm sorry, 110 here twice. We're just above that. It was not really a. This is not a trigger candle. See, we can definitely fall. Ah, see, and there it fell. I felt like I should go short there, and I should have. Boom, look at that. I definitely agree. I mean, I've been checking out some of it. Trying to figure out if there's anything. I've seen that there's like AI website builders, and I still need a website for MightyOxTrading, but I don't know like what inputs I need to like get what I need out of it. So definitely a lot of fun stuff out there with the AI. Almost seems a little overwhelming. It's like ChatGPT comes out, and it's like there's 10,000 other things all of a sudden. And then, yep, I should have taken. I felt it's like I said that wasn't in my plan there to take the short there, but I felt like it wanted to continue to come down, and I should have went with my gut in that one. We did get a purple candle there on the Dow, so here's the short Crypticon that would have saved Crypticon. He just. I appreciate that, Jay. I was gonna ask for your help, Jay, but I was gonna wait until you were done with your exams. I don't want to distract you from that. Well, I just read now that this morning that the EU is gonna try and make Google break up its advertising thing. Or if that's causing any problems to Alphabet. Let's go take a look. This one. Eh,
My guess is that candle's there is where the news came out. Not a huge move, but 56 cents down. Kind of recovered. Bitcoin, like the PPI, it's up to 26. A little bounce here on NQ. Yes. Let's see. Gold like PPI. Look at that. Now that's a candle, folks. 8.3 points. Ooh. Ultra Bond also up to its high day. And copper really didn't care. And crude oil, I didn't expect crude oil to care. So no trades yet. Looking to see if we find anything we like. I would say 2 or 3, but it probably should be more. If we take a gander here to yesterday, let's turn back time. You see all these lines here. These are all the trades I should have taken from now, not just in the morning, but throughout the day. These are all the trades that fit my strategy. So for the 3 hours of the stream, it should have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I had followed it, like 6 of the 7 would have been winners. I hesitate too much. It's always been my problem. But average trades, it really depends on your strategy. Some people it's, one a day. Some people it's, if you're a big time scalper, it could be 20 a day. Yeah, options are, I think, a bit more nuanced, is because you're looking for the right time to get in and out. Yeah, obviously looking for the right time to get in and out and everything, but I guess, I don't know. Options always confused me. So far this morning, since the stream started,
This would have been my only possible entry based on my strat. That blue candle bouncing off the 100. But I was kind of hesitant on that one because of PPI coming up. But that was the one. And of course, like I said, this one it wasn't really in my strategy, but it felt like it was right because it broke the 100. Seemed like it wanted to head down. Now you see the big bounce after it did. Yeah, options. It seems harder to control risk, but that's from a very uneducated just viewpoint on my part. Like I said, I haven't really studied the options. So, like we talked about a little bit earlier, because this is FOMC day, we might be a bit, slow and boring this morning. PPI didn't really give us as much of a catalyst as it has in the past. Yeah, it's trying to pop back up. So we still really don't have a direction here. I mean, back above 15,100 on NQ. Trying to continue down. Seeing red all over. we'll just continue to watch for now. Top of the hour in about 6 minutes. Energies markets open. Let's see if crude does anything fun. So we're just kind of waiting. Not much to say. It is trying to break back below 15,100. ES down to 44.19. So what I wish Crypticon had done there, if he was going to hold, he should have went down to just one contract. One contract wouldn't have knocked him out, and he would still be in and probably be in a profitable trade now. I mean, obviously I have no, I'm not criticizing Crypt, and I have no place to say anything because I'm not a consistent profitable trader. But just sizing down there, this would have been the way to go. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I hope everyone's having a good day so far. Reminder, always feel free to join us in the chat. Say hi. Questions, comments, always welcome. Little bounce here, so it got down to 100 exactly, and then bounced. ES also bouncing.
Nice blue candle there. That's a. We'll see what happens. I may take that if it comes back. It's being beaten back down, so never mind. Nope, went away. Now it's giving me a purple candle. Huh? Music stopped. There's the top of the hour. Let's see here what crude did. Crude really doesn't care about the top of. Ooh, but we're raining natural gas here. Gotta restart my music. Restart my music. Boom. So continuing to come down, see if it breaks this 15,100, and then it's a purple candle. Maybe we'll take it. Yep, pulling back up again. Hey, Sid, how you doing?
I didn't take that because of that wick, but again, moving down. So we are now less than 25 minutes till the bell. And we still haven't taken a trade. Again, I mean, this one technically was in, but that wick, anytime the wick is about the same size or bigger than the body, I'm hesitant. Obviously, it would have worked for a quick 5 points. So we are falling now down to 15,089. ES down again to 4119. ES is not falling the same way NQ is. And the Dow is green. Big green candle there, 19 points. If anyone's interested, Elite Trader Funding right now has a 65% off their fast track accounts. K scale? I'm not. But what does that mean? Let's see. Gold calmed down. Yeah, gold's pulling back now. Got up to 74-ish. Ultra bond also calming down now. So that candle ended up being 11.25 points. Little bounce here. Like I said, this morning could be boring. FOMC is usually choppy. Choppy. Hey, Burl word. Not much happening. FOMC. Oh, you know what? I wanted to do this. Crap. I just remember it now. Shorting UB at 19. All right. Hoping for a pop back up there. Copper, slow rise up. Oh, looks like the currencies are having fun today. And there's crude trying to get back up to high day, back above 70. Scale, so the question is, would that be a lean hog or? So we pop back up by 8 points, but now back to being red. We're burning red. Hmm. Well, watching it come right back down, that green candle. Right back down. And now we got a purple candle. Couple minutes to go on it yet, though, so we'll see. See if it holds. Nope, pulls back up. Still no direction right now. Let's see if the bell gives us anything fun. We may need to look at something different today. We may need to look at maybe like agriculture once it reopens or something like that for something nice to trade. Dow's kind of sending a big purple candle there. Me and the Dow, we're becoming buddies, and now lately it's been like telling me to screw off. Which is very rude. I tend to agree, Scale. I tend to agree. The pound and the euro would have been nice trades. I mean, I haven't traded currencies, in a long, long time. Hey, Ace, how's it going? Oh, there's your entry, JC. Oh, we don't judge on height here. Kind of hanging out. ES is at 44.19. Seems like it's been here for a while. NQ 15.090. uh, wow. Remember, folks, vote in the poll. Vote early and often. Hit that like button if you haven't yet. I appreciate it. Viewership and growth of the channel is definitely down. They need to work on that. Whenever we get thunderstorms, we got to worry about tornadoes. Are you sleepless in Seattle, Ace? And now we're starting to come down on the ES some. Dow, big drop. And Q still hanging around 15,090. We are 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to the bell. Looking for my first trade of the day. Obviously, we're not going to take anything until after that big old bell rings. It's an interesting superpower there, my friend. I knew that was coming, and it still gave me a chuckle. Couple minutes to the bell. Will it give us hell? No. I don't know. Oh, awesome. I forgot to even, I forgot to keep up with that. Excellent. Yeah. Nice, nice. You gonna hold through the bell, JC, or? All right. Good luck. See, it's still coming down there. Nice, nice. Are we ready for the ring? The ding and the ring. 30 seconds, people, places. Ding 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 ding. Ding-a-ling. Up and down, but not like much. Nothing real exciting so far. ES down 2. Dow falling fast. Dow's tripping, man. NQ is undecided. Agriculture is kind of bleh. And there's a bigger move down now. Down 15 points, 18 points. Wow, but now we are falling. Not afraid of falling. Ooh, nice JC. Yeah, I was just looking at that just as you said it. Great job. Back ulit. Yes, dito. Dow's down 46. ES is down at 44.15, 44.16. You see what it did well if you had gone short. Now we're cooking with gas. Down 28 points. ES and Dow coming back up. Ah, good job, Ace. Ace always gets his 2. Now agriculture's falling. Not afraid of falling. Big time. Soybean falling. All soybean products are falling. Gold's trying to pop up. And Q trying to pop back up there. Hey, RJ. Did your drive arrive? Did you call them and yell at them? Did they give you a tracking number? Still falling here. So since the open, we're down about 33, 34, 38 points. And just falling. That was a bearish engulfing candle. I could have taken that. Somehow I didn't register in my mind. I wish I could make them all turn colors. Someone needs to learn Pine script. Uh, Jay, do you see? Okay, you see how this one's purple, and sometimes I have blue. Well, I have two different scripts. I have the golfing candles detector and the bullish and bearish engulfing. The bullish and bearish engulfing add a couple extra engulfing candles, but that one doesn't turn the color of the candles. So sometimes I miss it because it just has this label up here. So I don't always like notice it. So if I could turn these to be the purple and blue as well, it would be more noticeable. Yeah, I can. Well, I can send you both. After stream. I don't think people want to see me bring up the code on here. Bounce it a little bit. So we got down to 15,052, about 100 points away from the high day. Not sure where we might be at low day. Are we at low day? I don't remember. We are at low day. We're at low day on NQ, not quite low a day on ES. Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, nope, not quite. Quick move back up. Almost touched the 20, but coming right back down. Agriculture, did we bounce? We have not yet bounced, but it looks like it's trying to bounce now. Ultra Bond, nice bounce there. Good job getting out when you did there, JC. Gold's trying to head up. Looks like the pound and the euro are going to the moon. Dollar must be weak today. Wow, so big move back up here. 27-point candle, touching the 20. So JC, with this new thing you're doing, is it any type of indicator, or is it just reading the price action, or what? And if it's hard to explain, just tell me to shut up. I was asking JC about the ICT system he's testing. All right. Yeah, don't try to explain it if it's hard to explain. I was just wondering. And how dare you take the headphones off, Ace? You're supposed to listen to me through the end. No, kidding. Nice. Good job, Ace. See, the 20 and the 100 are knotted up on the ES. NQ's having trouble getting it back above the 20. Oh yeah, there it did. Yep. Hit 19 exactly, back down to 15. Yeah, Matt. Yep. So this was a bullish engulfing, but I didn't really trust it, A, because it was the 30-point candle. B, it did not get above the 20, but you can see, again, it's pushing up. Ultra bottom trying to break the 100. Getting a long signal there on the Dow. Dow's kind of lagging behind ES and NQ today. And NQ's kind of giving back here. Solid 44.23 now on ES. And there's NQ trying to sniff its 100. He says an ES target at 44.30. I have an NQ Walmart at 55.112. Everyone's going like, what? Here's a break of the 100. Well, just trying to break the 100. Going long. See if I'm stupid. Oh, wow, I'm immediately stupid. Oh, no, maybe I'm not stupid. Let's see what it does. New 5-minute candle. Should have exited before the 5-minute candle. It likes to pull back at the start of a candle. Exited before the candle. I mean, I'm in at a better price if I want to take that trade, but come on, come back up. There we go. And back under my entry price. Seems like it's struggling at 120. Coming again. A few minutes to the top of the hour. Coming down on me. Back up. We'll try and just get 100 off of this now. There we go. Target hit. Of course, now it's probably going to go higher, but we got 6.5 points off of that. Yeah, there it goes higher. My original target was 24. I wasn't patient, but let's see if it gets there. 23, it was close. 124.42 on it though, so I won't complain too much. Yeah, I mean, I agree there, um, Ace, but I mean, my stop was at 10 points and I only took 6.5, so that can be a little bit dangerous, if you do that regularly. Corn's taking off. Look at this big move on corn. Nice blue candle there, perfect. And then up 3 points. See this? We see. I said we were gonna bounce here, and we did. I was gonna take a soybean oil trade, but any of the soybeans would have been good to take on that bounce. Glad to hear you're green, Sid. It's not easy being green. So it actually never would have hit my target. Look at that. My original target was 120. 124, and it got up to 123.75. So it would have missed my target by 2 points, and now it would have been pulling back, and I would have been red in that trade. So Ox be happy. It's coming right back up. So it did not come down far. Well, actually, it would have. It would have stopped me out. And now it's trying to bounce back up. Corn reversing after that candle. Gold. Yeah, it's kind of hanging up there. Copper's continuing to try to head up. Crude oil, all wonky. Ultra bond. Wow. What's Ultra bond doing there? Dow, red ES at 44.23. NQ now at 15.113. Blue candle here. Oh, I have a blue. So let's see where that finishes. We have about 2.5 minutes. Oh, blue candle for certain. Yep, went away. Back under the 100. Remember, we have FOMC in a few hours, so be careful if you're trading this afternoon. Vote in the poll what you think the Fed's going to do. Always curious to know what my viewers think. Candles back here at 45 seconds. We're long. We're long. Ew, this doesn't look good. Bounced off the 100 though, so maybe. Nope. Gonna give back my profits from today and part of yesterday. Maybe. Yeah. There we go. Maybe. Back to break even. Yep, coming back down. Ouch. Yep. Gonna take the full stop here, it looks like. Keeps toying with me. I literally got within 2 ticks of my stop there, and now it's coming back. Back to break even. Wow. This is the top of the hour candle, and they can be wonky sometimes. Minute to go on this 5-minute candle. $120 seems my entry seems to be where it doesn't want to go above, which is where I got out earlier. Perhaps re-entering at the same area wasn't the smartest idea. There we go. There we go. Target hit. Wow, that came within 2 ticks of my stop, which would have been a $280 stop, and instead it became a $200 winner. 10 points. Boom. Following my strategy, I took that. Now, technically, my strategy should have put the stop down below the wick, but I really didn't like that. Hey, Andrew, how you doing? And I stay calm. I just decided, if it stops me, it stops me. But there was part of me that said get out at 120 when it came back up a couple times, like get out, break even. But I said, well, we'll just go. Now it's continuing to try and head up. I could have got more, but and that was an interesting thing with for me is something I haven't done. I had the 1 minute chart sitting down here, and I'm still entering off the 5, but I was watching the movement on the 1, which gave me more confidence that of what it was doing there on the 1, and you can see going here. Now my strategy really is to go for like 2 times but I just didn't feel like it was gonna get there, so. You can see here, I mean, my entry was at 120. It's going up to 137 now, so 17 points. Like I said, it was about uh, sorry, about a 14-point stop. So, it looks like I could have got maybe. We'll see if it goes 28, but obviously I could have got more. But I'm happy. This is only my second day on this new Blue Sky account, and the account's now up $656. So that's like, and I need a $3,000 profit target, so it's oh no, let me get the calculator. 656 divided by 3,000. 21.8% of the way there. Well, I got away from doing entries off the 1 minute chart because there's just so many decisions you have to make very quickly. So my entries are based more off the 5 minute chart now. But looking at the 1 minute chart to maybe confirm things helps out, I think. Taking any trades today, Andrew? 152 is the high of the day for NQ. We just got up to 146 on this candle. I'm guessing he meant 1 minute chart, but I don't know. We'll let Ace clarify. Ah. Ah, I gotcha. We gotcha. So you can see this is getting close to where I could have got a 2 to 1 risk to reward here, I think. Let's actually mark it off to be accurate. We got in at 115, 120.75. And the stop would have been at 15,106. Technically, it should be lower than that, but we'll go with that. We would need 118. So it's not as close, but it's getting there. Hey, Glitch, how you doing? So since I got this new account from Blue Sky, I've gone 5 for 5 on trades. Up 656 total. I did take one loss, but it wasn't a real loss. I was testing to see how much micro commissions were. So it wasn't a real loss. I was in for 37 seconds on one M and Q just to see what the commissions were for it. Doing all right, Glitch. Uh, kind of, sort of, maybe. Just take. I mean, honestly, Jay, it's just taking the trades that's in my, in my plan. I'm still missing trades that are in my plan. Like this one here would have been good. This is the one I said I missed because I was kind of not paying attention. But the other thing I've started looking at is just taking off these engulfing candles. I notice they almost always go the right direction for a while, but maybe not give you the two that I was always hoping for. So it's kind of like take it candle by candle. Like go in thinking I'm gonna get out to close in the next candle, but I'm gonna evaluate what that candle was. Like this one here, I stayed in after the next candle because we had a solid green, no wick, but big wick down, indicating more buyers coming in. So instead of going for a specific target, deciding candle by candle whether or not to stay in the trade. And see, we would have got our two. We would have got our two there, and that one I did not, keep evaluating. I just got the I went for the 10 points, but if I had stayed in, I could have got 30. And there was really no reason not to. This was a solid green candle. This was another, wick down at the bottom. I could have just continued on, even now yet. I mean, and I could have even followed it by just continuing to move the stop below each candle. Once it got up here, moved it there. Once it got up here, moved it there.
I'm still being more conservative than I should be, but we're working on it. And that said, you know, if I can pass this account and make $300 a day, once again, as I've said before, that would be life changing. I have a bug crawling on my arm. Where did it go? Oh, get off of me. On. As we continue to rise up, ES now up to 44.29. Dow's actually coming down to 34.402. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that, Ace. It actually did hit 44.30 on this candle, according to my. I know. I'm surprised too, Glitch. Seems like the markets just don't want to go down anymore. I mean, it takes big news. I mean, obviously we pulled back. We were in bear market territory for a bit, but now that inflation's coming back down and all that fun stuff, everyone that said, well, we're heading for a recession, seems like they were wrong. Considering we have no idea where Ace lives besides the arid West, that's a big area, Chase. They are in the metaverse. My geolocation AI hasn't figured out where you're at yet. No, I'm kidding. So you see the Dow just kind of dying here. RJ, why is the Dow going the opposite direction? Oh, now actually ES is going the opposite direction too. Well, I figured that one out, Ace. Seriously, I'm not trying to track you down. When we have the MightyOx meetup, you can come to wherever I'm at. We won't try to figure out where you're at.
Honestly, Ace, I actually have money where we're doing a meetup type of thing. Wow, look at this go. Uh, I'm probably not gonna be living in Illinois at that point. My goal is always to get back to the East Coast, somewhere in Pennsylvania or upstate New York, somewhere around there. So you can see this would have went, even if I used the wick as the stop, this would have went my 2. So there was no reason to get out. Nice, this strategy of one candle going one candle at a time is both a scalping strategy and a trend following strategy. I just need to actually start following the trend. Find out from your tax advisors. Pull back. So we got up to new highs of 171, pulled back by about 15 points here though. Dow continuing to come down with red candles on ES. I have never owned land. I've never owned a house. Would be nice one day. I think we know that, Ace. We know you're not insensitive. But Ace, Sid here has books out about real estate. Thought I've showed that before, but maybe you weren't here at the time. So here's Sid's book, Noble Real Estate. You can get it on Kindle and probably other ways here on Amazon. Real Smart Streets Approach to Becoming a Successful Real Estate Entrepreneur by Sidney L. Chase Sr. And you can see Sid without his beard. Wow, Ace. Wow. Dress you up, but can't take you out. Uh, and I will admit, Sid and anyone else that's really successful, it's like blows my mind that someone that is that successful in obviously you know you do very well for yourself actually tunes into me on almost a daily basis. That just blows my mind. Let's see, agriculture. Oh wow! See, I said agriculture was going to bounce. I look at that bounce. Beautiful. 7 points up on soybeans. Corn's still going. Euro and the British pound and even the yen still going. Gold's kind of, ooh, excuse me, wonky. Ultra bond made a new daily high. Crude coming down. It's on Amazon. Yeah. No bull real estate. $3.99 for the Kindle edition. Don't know if there's other editions here or not. Oh, okay. What's the website? Let me guess. NobleRealEstate.com. Ace, post the link. And Cube did pull back. Now it's trying to send a engulfing candle here again. So a little bit of a pullback, and now maybe right back up. We'll see. This candle does have more than 4 minutes on it. His latest book is Your Noble Guide to Making Money with Alternative Investments, which you can find on his website. It's $8.99. Oh, you can book Sid for consulting. I sort of get that for free. Kidding. Yeah, so definitely support Sid if you're interested in this stuff. This is awesome. Well, we do have a big engulfing candle here with 2.5 minutes to go. Two minutes to go, and you see this is a strong candle up. If you look at the 1 minute, we saw that it did break the 20 twice. First one would have failed. Second one would have worked. I don't think there's any brains behind the Kardashians. Well, guys, he does travel all around the country, so like I'm sure if y'all want to meet him, you'll have other opportunities. So let's see. I hesitated on this to take this trade here. So there's a bullish engulfing, but I don't feel comfy. uh, you guys keep me laughing. So we have about 20 minutes to go. Glad so far did not take that. Let's see whether or not I continue to be happy. So how's everyone else done trading today? I know Sid said he's green. Ace got some points. RJ's quiet today. He might be hiring a hitman to go take out the people that are not sending him his hard drive. Well, Ace, there's your one for the day. Now we're green on that candle. It did pull back by 9. Let's see what it does. You build homes as well, Sid? How many different businesses do you have? When you have so many businesses that you got to stop and count, you know you're doing well in life. Yep, I should have taken this trade. This is one of those where I tell myself we're too high up, and we weren't too high up. You can see we've gone from that entry. We've gone at least 10. So I could have gotten, could have went for another 10 points there. Let's actually put it, if I actually followed my plan, 43.75. So, yeah, would need 203 to get the 2 to 1. And so far you can see it's going a little over 11. Awesome. So you build homes, so if I ever actually got rich, I could come to you and say, help me design a home to my liking. I guess it would have to be down there in South Carolina, though, or that area. So you could design a home for Burl. Oh, by the way, Sid, thank you for that saying that earlier. Sid says he's happy to help out if he can, and that goes for anybody here. Appreciate that, Sid. People helping people is a good thing. So it's not really going anywhere. I mean, like I said, we could have got 10 points, but not really going much else. ES turning around here as well. Dow is like, guys, it down's the direction. That's the way we need to go today. That's in my neck of the woods. Excuse me a second. I'm actually looking to get a website up for MightyOxTrading. I just need someone to actually like design a site for me because like last time I designed websites was 20 years ago. And anytime I try to design a site now, it looks like a site from 20 years ago. Is that the one you were doing stuff for, Ace? It's kind of petered out here on this move up. Not really going one way or the other. We have about 10 minutes left on the stream.
Excuse me 1 second. You've sandblasted easy? Okay. Oh, that's the computer company? If you need a customer service representative, I'm open to a job. So kind of ending the morning with, but I will say we had more action this morning than what I was expecting with this being an FOMC day. We had some nice moves both directions. I really can't say it was a choppy day at all. At least not on NQ or ES. Look at crude oil falling. Wow. Oh, yeah. I forgot about crude oil inventories. Wow. Big fall there on the inventories. Ultra bond made a new daily high. Gold is sideways. Copper continues its move up.
And the Russell's down to the 100. So 58% of you say there's going to be no raise of interest rates today at the FOMC. 42% of you say there will be a raise of 25 basis points. We'll have to discuss that tomorrow, after the event today. Pulling back here, this is a candle I should have taken. This was a nice pullback. Dow's kind of sideways. So we're ending today up $318.84. Like I said, over the last 2 days, we're up $656.86 on this account. And we hope we can continue chugging that along. Ace, three-dimensional wealth, is that the guy? With the LOL, I'm going to assume that Chase agrees with your assessment there, Ace. We have reached the 11 o'clock hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Remember, if you're trading into the afternoon, be careful of FOMC. We're going to call it here for the day. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m., to discuss wealth building and interest rates and all this other fun stuff. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.